Hello everyone, this is Diễm Hằng. Welcome. This chocolate cheesecake is my variation of Dubai chocolate. The ubiquitous chocolate on Instagram motivated me to create a Dubai chocolate cheesecake with crunchy Knafeh and pistachio. I use the ingredients available at the local market. It's very simple, easy to make. Let's start it. Prepare phyllo dough for the cheesecake base. Place the dough in an 8-inch cake pan and apply butter evenly to each layer. If any phyllo dough breaks, position the broken layer between intact ones without discarding it. Eliminate food waste. Alright, food waste is not acceptable. I create 6 layers, trim the size they need. Now I prepare the cheesecake batter. I choose to use food processor, although a hand blender or stand mixer can be used on the natives. Through my experience, I found food processor is perfect tool for making cheesecakes. It's efficient and time-saving. To make chocolate cheesecake, begin by blending sugar and cream cheese together. Subsequently, incorporate eggs, sour cream, cocoa powder, vanilla into the mixing bowl. Melt the chocolate in microwave. I recommend heating for 20 to 30 seconds to prevent lumps. Add a small amount of sour cream mixture to the chocolate before incorporating it into the mixture. Scrape the side with a bowl 2-3 times. Once the butter becomes smooth, then ready to bake. 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 40 minutes depending on the size used. Small cake like this, I bake for 20 minutes. Now I prepare the Knafeh. Prepare for the rich, creamy, crunchy texture. The shredded dough Knafeh bake until golden, and I combine pistachio paste, tahini paste, and rose water. Blend with the crunchy Knafeh. That's it. Easy, eh? Next, I evenly spread the crunchy Knafeh mixture over the top of the baked cheesecake. Finally, cover it with dark chocolate ganache, or you use milk chocolate ganache. Finishing touch with toasted pistachio and decorate with chocolate eggs. These are my handcrafted Dubai chocolate eggs. Yeah, happy bunnies! Voila! Thanks for watching. The recipes present in this video are available in the description or visit my website. Bye!